What's up, guys? Reaper here. Welcome to Reaper Garage. As you can see, I'm next to the G35, Julian's G35. We're gonna be working on this car again. If you guys remember last video, we did the calipers on these things, but the system ain't really bleeding properly, so we're gonna see what's up with that. Oh my god, it's hot in here. Yes, as you guys can see, we did mention this last time, this car was abandoned, so keep that in mind. It hasn't been driven in a very long time, so we're currently Julian's currently rebuilding it. So Julian is currently at work, so he left me the keys and I'm going to do this for him. So oh yeah, the pedals go all the way to the ground. That's so bad. God dang, Julian's so small that this thing is like on my ass. The knob is hot, everything is hot in this thing. Jesus, the clutch pedal on this thing is crazy. Oh my god, the pedals go all the way to the floor. What in the freak is that shit? You gotta press this thing down just to put it in reverse? That's crazy. Just keep in mind, here's the floorboard, here's this pedal. The pedal engages like almost when where you touch it. That is crazy. So we've led the fronts again for the 10,000th time. They're coming out straight. I decided to kick the living crap out of the brake pedal 1,000 times. Yeah, we found the leak. So this bleeder here was fine, but the bleeder back here was leaking. Even though it was tightened all the way, it was still leaking, so I changed that. I just bled that side. Now we're gonna go to this side, and hopefully, fingers crossed, the pedal starts holding pressure, because it's going soft, but every time you pump it, it's getting harder and harder, so meaning there's air in the system a lot. So hopefully this is the last guy I need to bleed and stop working on this. So we've let the whole system again. Sorry I haven't been recording much because we just been trying to get busy so he can go back to work. But I fixed the bleeder on this caliper on the rear. It's no longer leaking. This man's slash strips are just falling off. Yep. We're about to put the wheels back on and he's gonna go take it for a test drive, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's good. He's currently testing the car right now. It working?
It worked.
Hell yeah.
I stopped so hard my car thought I got into an accident.
For real. Well,
it's like, should we call 911?
the car is done.
Done.
I guess next step is the